How to swap on Tonkeeper wallet. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Tonkeeper and sign in with your Face ID or passcode. Then you need to simply either go with the swapping option of the inbuilt application, or you can simply click on the browser on the bottom right of your screen, and you can go with any other third party crypto swap platform. But in this case I will gonna go for the swap option, which is the inbuilt and much easier and convenient. So simply click there and this is going to open up a new window just like that. Then you need to click on the send option and search for the particular coin that you have into your account. Most of you will have USDT or any other Ton coin. And as for the receive, simply click on it and search for a particular token that you want to receive. So let's go for a meme coin as an example. So right now it is not supporting the Hemi. As I said, you can also go with a third party crypto swap option, which is going to provide you much more variety of your particular coins. So let's go for the some other coin. So I have selected this meme coin as an example. You're just gonna need to enter the amount how much you want to swap. Then you need to also make sure to click on manage on the top left of your screen and go for your slippage settings, and then click on apply on the bottom right and you're good to go. And you will gonna receive your new coin on the bottom of your screen just like that. Hope this helped. This is how you can swap on Tonkeeper wallet.